Continuation video of Python. In this video, we will discuss about the data types in Python. Okay, so we will start here. Open VS Code. Just open VS Code and create new file here. This is the previous. This all I have discussed in previous video. This is the previous example. So I will create another file that is data type with the name data type. Data types dot I IPYNB will create the Jupyter notebook. That's why in this we have a single cell, so we can execute our code easily. Otherwise, when we write Python, all the code executed at a time. That's why I'm using Jupyter notebook data. But you can write in both files. There is no difference. But when I am using this format, this extension IPYNB, because this is a Jupyter notebook and this is for Python code to write, and this is also test.py. Py is also for writing the Python. But in this case, at a time we can run whole the code. Okay, but in this case, Jupyter Notebook IPYNB format, we can execute our code cell by cell. That's why I'm using this one. Okay, there is no difference there is no other difference. Okay. So in this we will discuss about the data types in other language like C++. There is some data type, and data type is categorized primary data type and secondary data type, primary data and integer, float, whatever, that is primitive data type, primary type, and primary type, that is called also called as primitive data type. Okay, so in previous languages the data type is divided into categories. So here we will discuss in the term of Python. In this Python there is no external category of data types. Here the data type is dynamic. Okay, data type integer. Suppose we are talking about the integer data type. Okay, uh, already we have discussed in previous video, so just summarize the uh, things also in this video. So integer data type means, what is the data type? Data type means what type of data. Just data type is the classification about the data, which type of data can hold or variable. Okay, that is the data type, which type of data can hold or variable. This is the classification about the data. Okay, and according to the data type, the sizes the sizes varies. Okay, suppose integer data type, then size is 4 byte, float, double, different float, then 8 float and double, float also 4 byte, 8 double 8 bytes, like string. String length is no any size of a string. So the data type means different data type, based on different data types the size varies. Okay, the memory management is also different. Okay, based on data type. Suppose integer data type, then 4 byte, it allocate memory for 4 byte, means uh, 32 bits. Okay, like that, according to your data type, the size is different, but size varies. But here the suppose here we are talking about the integer data type, then in this case, in the term of Python, according to the value, whatever the value we are assigned the variable, that is dynamically uh, the dynamically the data type is managed, or dynamically data type will be sensed by the compiler according to the value. Suppose we have a integer a, and we have assigned the value 45. The 45 is integer, so I'm checking type of A. So when I check the type of A, then what we will get, just press shift enter, or just click here. Okay, first just we need to select the kernel means environment. In the first second video we have created already. Okay, if you don't know about this VENB kernel virtual environment, then you can go through the previous videos so you can understand that. Now we are talking about the integer data type, and integer data type in the variable a, identifier a, just I have assigned the value 45, that is integer, so I'm checking the type of a. It provides integer. Okay, why this is provided? Because the value is assigned, the value integer, the value 45 is integer is assigned to a. That's why a type of a is automatically dynamically changed to integer, like that. Suppose in a I have assigned the value float 4.6, and now I'm checking the type of a. Then what happened, just press here, run. Then you are getting the type of a is float. Because why float? Because just I'm assigning the value of type float. That's why its type is changed. Why changed? Because of the values. What type of value you will assign into the variable, according to the value type, the variable type is changed dynamically. Because in case of Python, you no need to declare data type. This is integer data type or float data type. On the behalf of value, its data type automatically change. And suppose just create another cell, just create a shortcut for creating cell. Either you can click plus code here, or you can plus code here to create this code cell, or you can just shortcut, keyboard shortcut, escape button plus a to create code cell. Okay, and to run, just press shift plus enter, or you can click here also. Okay, so, and when I assign the value, I am assigning value true in variable a, and just I'm getting the type of a. Then at this time it's provide bool. Why? Because we are assigned the value boolean type. That's why it dynamically changed to bool. Okay, this is integer type, and this is float. This is float type. This is boolean type, bool type, float type, integer type, boolean type. Okay, and here also we can like check that suppose I am assigning the value a is equal to a1 is equal to 10, and a2 is equal to 10 also. And when I'm compare when I'm checking, or you can check like that, but here if you try to check like that, a1 equal to a2, and just print, then both are equal, a1 value equal to a2. This is the comparison operator. Okay, so here we will discuss this one in the comparison operator. And here also we have some conversion function like int, this one, like we can discuss conversion function, like we can say int float string str, like that we have some conversion function. Here we can use the conversion function. Just comment this one. Here we will use conversion function as, suppose I have a string str, and in the str we have just hello, and I am just using plus operator to add 5 here. Then what happen in this case in C, and C sharp? This will concatenated because the plus operator is overloaded at string and this numeric operand. But here in the Python, what happen? This will give an error because this is a string type and this is a numeric, so both we can't add. So when we run this, then you are getting the error. Then what you will do to run this one? You need to do just convert the numeric value 5 to a string to use this str function. Just converted as 5 numerical to a string and concatenated added to this string also. Then then you can run here. Then you get hello 5. Okay, or you can do like that also. You can do like that also. Just remove the str function and just double quote. Okay, and just run this one, then you get the answer. Okay, both you can do. Okay, so this is the regarding the data type. Okay, integer, float, string, basically these are the mainly these type of data. This this type these data types are basically used, and we will discuss the collection to hold collection. Collection means you can say advanced data type collection. You can you can say collection means advanced data type. In advanced data type, just we discuss list. We will discuss list. We will discuss dictionary. We will discuss set. Okay, this advanced collection, advanced data I will discuss in further video. So this is the basic introduction of data types and the conversion function. Using these conversion function and data type, we will further move to our next tutorial. In next tutorial, next video, I will discuss the basic operations, uh, basic operator. In next video, I will discuss the operators in Python. Okay. Okay, that's all. Thank you for this video. I will discuss in next video regarding operator in Python. Okay, that's all. Thank you.